Hi! We will build with our 3-bedroom A-frame cabin model Stella Magna. In this video, we will explain our assembly step by step from scratch. After placing our frame, we assemble the columns and level them. Our interlaced solid wood walls are rising rapidly. We proceed to the assembly of our A-frames floorboards. Joinery frames are also assembled together with the beams. We start the roof assembly with installing planks. We will install the moisture barriers and grilling operations. Then comes rock wool installation and metal sheets applications. We are performing deck assembly. We continue with the joinery assemblies. Moving on the glass placement. Let's do a little inside tour. Our living room under a high gallery space together with kitchen. It provides a very spacious living space. There is a large bedroom on the mezzanine floor. Then a jacuzzi room, a bathroom, and a bedroom on the ground floor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.